Okay guys, someone comes up to you, hands you a brand new deck of cards, and they're like, show me a magic trick. And dude, you're so excited. And you're not excited about the trick, you're excited because they didn't give you a torn, crimped out World War II deck of cards. And they're just like laughing, like, yeah, good luck showing me a trick like that. And you're just like, screw you. So, you're excited, you get a deck, that's a new deck order, and you see everything and you're just like, okay, a good trick is obviously we have to shuffle the cards. We have to get them out of this new deck order. So let's get them out and make sure to shuffle them fairly. You know, don't play games. And then give it a couple riffle shuffles just for the schematics out there. So give it a couple riffle shuffles as well. That's one. One more, and that's two. So okay, you can all see here that the deck is fully shuffled, and you're gonna make a crazy proposition. You're gonna tell them anywhere they cut, you're gonna know how many cards they cut, and they're just like, that's insane. And you're just like, watch, let's do it. And they're just like trying to trick you, and you're just like, you know what, forget it. There's no way he's gonna get it. But somehow you knew he cut 24 cards, and that's like mind blowing. Like, how did you know? Like, 24. Do the count, 24 right now. He's like, whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Everyone's freaking out. And there you have it, guys. An impromptu miracle with just any deck of cards in new deck order. And let's get into the explanation. Okay guys, for the explanation for this amazing trick, it's an Ed Marlo trick, and he uses it in a 4-part routine, and honestly he considers it his favorite routine. So the fact that this trick is in his routine, it's pretty amazing. Furthermore, there's a gimmick called the Code by Andy Nyman, and it does what this trick does. This trick is not as clean, of course, but it still hits the same impact, and it's impromptu, so I mean, it's a miracle. So let's go see how to do this trick, okay? Now, you really need 13 cards in the same stack order, like ace, 2, 3, or whatever, but the ace has to be running from top down, like ace, 2, 3, like you see the spade, the king is first, the ace should be first. You can use any suit you want, and honestly, you could even just use the hearts, because the hearts are already in the suit. You could just shuffle the cards to keep the suit together, the ace through king suit together. It's a stack, so you keep the stack together like that. Still though, I don't know why Ed Marlo is a spade guy, so when I'm taking out the jokers for the routine, which because it's a new deck order, it's a new deck or whatever, I take out the jokers or even just show them. I'm like, hey look, all the cards are different, and really I'm keeping my eyes on the king as I go for the overhand and do the shuffle. And with this one, you want to shuffle it a few times, you know, and then stop, patter, say something like the deck is getting really shuffled. It's just pause and separation. It doesn't make it look overly obvious that you are reversing the top 13 cards. So now the top 13 cards is ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen, king. All spade. And what you want to do is you want to give it 2 Pharaoh out shuffles. I did it in a performance, a table with Pharaoh, because it just looks a lot cleaner. But let's go do, let's try it. I just know with the first one, doesn't have to be perfect, you know? So, I even have 2 cards on top, you even just take it down and just shuffle it. 2 Pharaoh out. The second one's gonna have to be perfect, so that's gonna be a lot challenging, but it's only one, and if you use the estimation idea like this, like you're just kind of estimating and you're doing this while you're talking, it's honestly not so bad. And now the second one. And you could even, what's good about pharaohs, you can even fix them up a little bit. So we have a perfect pharaoh, just like that. And now you are in the stack order that every 4th card is going to be a spade. So basically, when they cut to any card, let's say they cut to this card, it's a queen, there's a 1 in 4 chance that they're going to cut to a spade, right? Which is awesome. But let's say they didn't. Like in this situation, it cut to a queen. You basically look at your pack that you're taking, and you kind of look down and you see the cards, and you see this is a 7 of spade. So there's two ways of doing this. You do the 7, you times it by 4, it's 28, and minus it by the card itself in this one. So it's 28, 27, 26. So you know there's 26 cards in this deck. Because what happens is this, right? You see the 6 of spade. You times it by 4, that's 24, and then you add the 2 cards, because you know there's 2, you know, and the order is all the same. It's basically spade, blank, 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 spade. So what they did, they cut to the queen of diamonds. So again, you kind of look at your stack, and you see the next spade. So that's 28, minus it by itself, 27, and minus it by 1, 26. So you know they have 26 cards. So this is the miracle, and they could cut anywhere, and you're gonna get this right. If they lift the whole deck, you just look at the bottom card, and yeah, it just times it by 4, 52. That's probably the easiest thing you ever do. And it's a complete miracle. This is, I think, one of the only few ways that you can actually know how many cards they cut impromptu without paying money, and all you need to know is a pharaoh, which is a really important tool anyway, and there's a lot of cardists that use it. There's a lot of amazing flourishes that are being used with it. There's a lot of amazing tricks to be used with it, so I really hope this trick helps you want to learn the pharaoh shuffle. Or you can just do the table pharaoh, whatever. So let's just try one more time, right? I'm gonna cut anywhere yet again, and it's a king of clubs. I kind of look at mine, and I just peeked, and I saw this was a 5 of spade. So 5 times 4 is 20. Then minus it by the 2, because like these 2 cards. So 20, 19, 18. So there's 18 cards here. So that's it. And have fun with this. It's really amazing. Thank you guys so much.